Hello everyone, Tenken Gadgets here. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're about to check out 5 tips on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So don't touch it. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Please turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my video. And at the end, a like button will really help. So let's get down to the video. 5 tips for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Okay, so let's start with number 5. At number 5, the navigation bar is pretty much a thing on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, especially if you're an iPhone user. If you have been using iPhone for the longest, I think you will find this feature interesting. Now, you have 2 features of the navigation bar. So you can choose to either have it a button lineup, button style layout, or you can have it just a bar layout, whichever you prefer. I prefer the bar layout because I'm used to that iPhone ecosystem, and it's kind of a little bit of a getting used to changing ecosystems from the iOS to the Android. So let me show you how this is done. So you want to go to your settings. Let's get this out the way. You want to go to settings on your phone and then go to display. From display, you go to navigation bar and then you see it right there. So you have your button style layout and you have your swipe gesture layout. So I chose the swipe gesture layout because it feels more comfortable for an iPhone user like myself. Now, if you want to change it back, all you have to do is just press button layout. It changes back to the typical Android style, or you can go to the swipe gesture and you pretty much have that iPhone feel. So you don't miss your iPhone too much. You can pretty much have that comfortable feel using this device, especially if you are new to Android like myself. So that is the first setting. So number 4, the 4th tip I want to give you guys is wallpaper. Now, wallpaper, this phone has a really cool feature when it comes to using live wallpapers, especially because of the 120Hz AMOLED display that this phone gives you. So having a live wallpaper just makes it a whole lot better. As you can see, what I have in front of me right here is kind of like a pentagram, trigram kind of, live wallpaper. And then at the front, at the lock screen, I have the Bitcoin wallpaper right there. All live. That is a really cool feature. Now, how do you get this done? The easiest way to do this is quite simple. All you have to do is go to your Play Store on your phone and then type live wallpaper. There you go, right there. Download any live wallpaper that you think is suited for you. And then if you want to do that, to put it on your phone, all you have to do is go to your setting right there and go to wallpaper, and then you have it right there. Now, this is the cool feature about this phone. When you come to your wallpapers right there, you have your featured wallpapers and what you downloaded. Now, what you downloaded is right here on the downloaded version. I have the Bitcoin and the trigram or the pentagram wallpaper right there. So that's one side. Now, the second one is in your gallery right here, you have all the various live wallpapers that I've downloaded from the app. The app gives you an array of wallpapers that you can download. Any wallpaper downloaded is pretty much saved in your photos and videos. But if you want to add that live wallpaper to your already downloaded wallpaper, you have to come right here and then you can select any of these wallpapers right there. And when you come back to here, you see that when you go to my wallpapers and download it, you will see the added content from your gallery. So now you can either add it to your home screen, lock screen, whatever you choose to do. Now, when you have this done, the best thing to do is to have always on display. That way, and your peak brightness, oh my God, it's just crazy. I love it. I love it. Now, number 3. The third feature is pretty much simple though. It's a feature that I think a lot of people know, but I feel I should still talk about it. That is the fact that you can connect your Xbox controller to your cell phone and have amazing time playing video games or playing games, mobile games on your cell phone. Now, this is what you do. You turn on your Bluetooth on your Xbox controller and then have your Bluetooth search on the button. By the way, I haven't tried this with PlayStation yet. I don't know if it's going to connect, but as soon as you do this, download your Xbox Game Pass to synchronize with your Xbox. If you don't have an Xbox, it's cool anyway. Now check this out. As soon as you connect your controller to your phone, all you have to do is go to any game that you're playing and it automatically syncs with the game and you can play your games on the controller. I do this because it pretty much saves me the trouble of touching my screen all the damn time, and then it's more accurate to play on a controller than on a screen, than on the touch screen. So that way you have better aim if you're shooting, you have better movement, and then you have dexterity when playing on controller. Wait, someone. Oh shit. So easy. So easy. Oh my god. Like, this is the easiest I've played Call of Duty. Like, I'm enjoying myself here. Headshot. Somebody's sniping at me though. I can't pinpoint where he's at. Oh, I see them. The sniper is in that building right there. Oh my god. But you get the picture pretty much. Now, speaking of Bluetooth settings, you can also connect your external keyboard if you feel like it. And the reason why I say this is, if you connect the external keyboard, if you connect the keyboard to this phone and you connect an external mouse, you pretty much are saving yourself the trouble of really touching the screen all the time because of that fingerprint, and it's just not comfortable. And chances are that if you are buying this phone right here, that you're buying it for productive reasons. So pretty much you want that duality and that multifunction capability that the phone gives you. So that way you can have your Microsoft Office or whatever, and then you can type on your keyboard and have fun. You don't have to really use the screen keyboard anyway, because apart from the fact that it's small, you have a more comfortable feel when you type in on your external keyboard. But this feature is kind of like, you can do this or you can't, or you can choose to bypass it if you feel like. It's totally up to you. I will show you this setting right now. So check this out. So let me turn this on. All right, so it's on right here. Let's open this phone up. And let me go to Google Chrome. Now check this out. So I have my on-screen keyboard, as you can see, but I prefer to use, oh, it's raining already. I prefer to use the keyboard. Now see what happens when I type, see? It's easy, it's flexible. And then if I want to navigate, I have a mouse right here and I can navigate easily. See that? And that is really cool. That is just cool. So having that, you see how cool feature this is, instead of tapping the screen all the time. It saves you. So let's close that up. Put that to the side. Okay, so what is next? At number two feature will be split screen. So how do you achieve split screen with this phone? It's pretty easy. All you gotta do is just go to any app you want to do that. Let's say YouTube, for example, and then swipe up, hold it there, scroll to the app, tap on the icon right there, and then split. It's that easy. It is that easy. And if you feel like it, you can pair if you want to. So let's say you're watching YouTube and you want to type or take notes or anything, it's really easy. And then if you want to prioritize what to look at more, or which to look at more, you just simply, there are 3 buttons in the middle of the screen. All you gotta do is press the 3 buttons right there, move left or right, whichever way you want to move it to, that's where it will expand to. So let's say I do it right here, see, hold, do it right here, do it in the middle. Great, isn't it? And that of itself is a whole cool feature. Now, the last but not the least is fingerprint notification sensor. Now this one right here, this smart gesture allows you to bring down your notification if you feel like it from your fingerprint right there. So the fingerprint sensor on the side of the phone, all you gotta do is swipe down, open the phone, give me a second, swipe down, notification, swipe up, swipe down, swipe up, swipe down, swipe down, swipe up. Look at that. Easy, easy. Now, how do you get this done? I'll show you right now. So all you have to do is simple. Go to settings, go to advanced features, and then scroll down to motions and gestures. Click that. Scroll down to finger sensor gestures. Click that, and then it demonstrates you. It shows you a little demonstration of how to do it. And then you simply turn it on or off. Turn it off, doesn't work. Turn it on. Look at that. Easy. Easy. So that way you have access to your notifications on the fly. Easy. That is a cool feature. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's cool tips on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. If you buy this device for the first time, it's tons of fun, really. I've been getting used to the phone. I've been playing around with the phone quite a bit. I'm pretty much new to the Android environment and there's a lot of getting used to, but these are the little tips that I can share with you. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching the video. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. If you got to this point, please hit the like button. I will really appreciate you if you hit the like button, and then I will catch you guys in another video. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, interesting device. I love it. Anyway, guys, I will catch you guys in my next video. Until then, see you guys next time, and I'm out. Peace.